Well, here I'm cooking away on my breakfast. Got a bunch of pancakes there for me, and go cook some eggs. Those pancakes for the critters. So that's a logging truck that pulled up there, because that's what they do. They pull over there, and he'll be jumping out of the cab here in a little bit, and checking his load over, tightening his chains, everything else before he gets on his way. I want to take him up there to Highway 3 off of 36. Got a lumber mill up there. So, sitting here, enjoying, about ready to divulge my breakfast. Divulge? Well, whatever. Eat. Have a fine day. Enjoy it. Oh, there he is. See him in the yellow shirt? Let's see. Yeah. Checking his chains and stuff. So, it's something you got to do when you're trucking. Don't want to lose a log going down the road. That'd be bad news. Bumping the tires too. Bump, 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 bump. So there you go. A trucker checking his load. Have a fine day. Get out and enjoy it. You might see something new. NW6G YouTube channel. Comments are always welcome. Thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs all around. Enjoying. Later.